बच्चों अस्सलाम वालेकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुह। आज हम एक कहानी सुनाएंगे।
जी मौलाना।
Ramadan is a time for reflection and growth. We fast to build empathy and draw closer to the divine. The 27th of Ramadan is a very special night. It is a night filled with spiritual
Welcome,
noor. Children, to a magical lesson.
Wow. What is it, please?
Of course, look to
night
the
is
sky. Laylatul Qadr, a night more valuable than 1,000 months, and stars appear to celebrate.
इमाम साहब, ये सब कैसे बना?
हाँ बच्चों, सब कुछ बताऊंगा।
जी।
Let's recite the dua together.
Okay, मौलाना।
ربنا في الدنيا حسنة
आमीन।
سبحان الله وبحمده.
सुब्हानल्लाह व बिहम्दिही।
Let's recite the dua together.
रब्बना आतिना फिद दुनिया हसनतन।
Very good, children. Subhanallahil Azim. Let us chant together with devotion.
With devotion, we chant
Fear.
peace within
Ya Allah,
us.
bless these children and fill their hearts with light and peace. Bismillah. ربنا آتنا في الدنيا حسنة وفي الآخرة حسنة